Welcome to Science-wise Educator. Parents and guidance. If you want your child to pass chemistry, physics, biology, and mathematics, always advise him or her to visit Science-wise Educator for more information. Biology. The following life processes are common to both plants and animals, except A. Respiration, B. Growth, C. Reproduction, D. Photosynthesis. Okay, when you look at these options, you find out that A is respiration, and both plant and animal respire. And you know that respiration is a biochemical process by which glucose, with the help of oxygen, oxidize in order to release energy. And we have two phases of respiration, which is internal and external respiration. Internal respiration still have the same definition with the respiration, while the external is a relationship between the respiratory organ and the environment, or is a process in which we take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. You know, plants releases oxygen and take in carbon dioxide only in the daytime. So take note of that. So option A is not the right option because the word there, except, that is where the emphasis is. B, growth. Growth is an irreversible increase in size. That means both plants and animal increases in size. That means B is not the right option. C, reproduction. When you look at the reproduction, you find out that reproduction is the ability of living organisms to give rise to new individual of the same species. That means both plant and animal give rise to new individual of the same word species. So C is not the right option. D, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants manufacture their food in the presence of sunlight using carbon dioxide and water. So when you look at this, you find out that it's only plants can do that. That means because the plants, most of the plants are autotrophs. That means they can be able to manufacture their food by themselves. While heterotroph like man cannot. So they depend on autotroph for their own food. So the right option is photosynthesis, D. Which of these organelles is common to both plants and animal cells? A, chloroplast, B, centrioles, C, mitochondria. A is chloroplast. So chloroplasts are large green organelles in plant cells. They contain chlorophyll. And they also help in what? Photosynthesis in green plants. B, centrioles are two small granules near nucleus of animal cells, from which the flagella or cilia arises. And you know that they also help in cell division, and they also serve as a basal body. Then the next option there is mitochondria. That is also C. And you find out that the mitochondrion is the powerhouse of the cell that folded and in the interior to fill with matrix. They also sites for respiration where energy is released from simple sugar. So when you look at these three options that we have, you find out that the correct answer is C, mitochondrion, because mitochondrion is an organelle that is common to both plants and animal.